Here's a level 14 type question. We want to find the total surface area of the nonagon-based pyramid if the solids are equivalent. If they're equivalent, they have the same volume. For the cube, the base of the cube or the side or the height of the cube, whatever, is 5.45 centimeters. The volume of the cube is 5.45 to the power of 3, or cubed, is 161.878625. We know that the volume of the pyramid is the area of the base times the height divided by 3. We know the height is 5.89. We can find the area of the base by cross multiplying. The 3 is going to come up, multiply the v, and the h is going to come down and divide all that. We end up with 3 times the volume divided by the h is the area of the base. Area of the base is 3 times the volume divided by the height is 82.45091. We also have the base, the length of the side, which I call the base of the triangle here, is 3.6521 centimeters. The apothem we don't know, but we know the area of the base. This is a nonagon, so it's 9 times the area of one of these triangles that starts from the center and goes out like that. 9 isosceles triangles. We know that 9 times the area of the triangle, or 9 times the base times the apothem divided by 2 is the area of the base, which we know. We know the base, and so we want to isolate the apothem. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. I'm going to cross multiply. The 4.5 and the base are going to come down below, and we're going to leave the a where it is. We have the apothem is equal to the area of the base divided by 4.5 divided by the base length, or the side length. The area of the base divided by 4.5 divided by the base gives us 5.01. If this length is 5.45, then 5.01, that makes sense. The perimeter of the base is 9 times the base length, or side length, is 32.8689. We also need to know the slant height. We do know the apothem, which is this length, is 5.0169. We can use Pythagoras to figure out the slant height. Apothem and slant height here. We are after the slant height. The slant height squared, using Pythagoras' theorem, is the a squared plus the height squared. The slant height is the square root of the a squared plus the h squared. The slant height is the square root of the a squared, the apothem squared, plus the height 5.89 squared, close the bracket. There's your slant height. Your total surface area is the perimeter of the base times the slant height divided by 2 plus the area of the single base. And that gives us 209.60507. And it goes on for a while. I'm just going to paste that over here and round it. I'm going to have the 9 tell the 7, so that's 5 decimal places. The 9 will tell the 7 to round up to an 8. Units are centimeters squared because it is total surface area. And then we press enter to see if we're right. And that is it for level 14. Have a good day.